Right, morning. Oh, that's that. Jesus. Morning. Right. Bloody Sunday morning. Time's it now? About 9:30 or something. 10 to 10. Sunday morning, I'm down at the yard. Basically, on the job that I was on Friday, with Adam doing this internal cladding clean. Halfway through the job, my boiler started throwing a low voltage fault, which it's done before now. I mean, my system's gone wrong that many times, I can pretty much work out what's wrong with it straight away. Anyway, so this happened. So we have an alternator on the pressure washer, which works as alternators do. It charges the battery and then it powers the boiler and everything else and all the other electrical bits. And the fucking belt's got on it. Snap belt, man. So we're going to put another belt on this morning. Luckily I've got a spare one. I bought two actually. If last time I had to go and find the correct belt for the pressure washer, so we've got a spare one and we're going to stick that on this morning. And also I've had a leaking ball valve on the end of the hose, so I've got one of them and I'm going to put that on, because next week we've got, what have we got on next week? We've got 1, 2, 3, we've got about 4 roofs on, maybe 5, see how I feel towards the end of the week. A render clean, we've got some guttering to do. Both cherry pickers are out all week, mad week next week, so yeah, we're going to get on and get some grafting on a Sunday morning. Sunday morning grafting. This is just another day of unpaid work, which, you know, it has to be done because I didn't have any time yesterday. I was doing stuff on the camper and that yesterday, so yeah, let's get this belt changed, man. Hopefully it's only going to take me about 20 minutes. I'm not a mechanic, but you know, I've done it before, so let's get on with it, man. Ta-da! She is. That is a fucking sorry looking toolbox, man. So much so, I don't know where my 18mm spanner is. I need a 17 and an 18. So we're going to have to make do with an adjustable, which I'm not a fan of. Where's the fucking belt? Oh, where's the belt gone? Where's the belt gone? Where's the belt gone? Where's that gone? Alright, this is where I normally start blaming our Lewis for stuff, even though he's not here. Oh! It's here somewhere, isn't it? Right, hang on, I think I know where it is. Ah, yes. Right. Oh, yes. Right, now, this is the fucker because it's hard work trying to get this as tight as I need it. Pain in the arse, everything's a pain in the arse, man. Sunday morning pain in the arse is this. Oh, I'm all fucking fingers and thumbs now, I don't know what I'm doing. Hang on, let's get this on. Oh, come on. Let's have a look, see. Right. I think that's probably tight enough, that, to be fair. Alright, let's see if there's any juice in it. We've got power on there. And it's telling me I've got juice up there. See if there's enough in it to try to bump it. Oh, she's not having it. Come on, baby. Oh, she's dead. I'll tell you what, I bought one of these from Alfred's. It's coming well under this. Because obviously this isn't the first time I've had to jump the pressure washer. But yeah. 100 quid does all sorts. Fucking tyres the lot, pumps your tyres up. Okay. Right, let's have a bash, see if she works. No, not yet. Come on, baby, must be dead, that. How is that nearly empty? It's been on fucking charge for about 3 weeks. Fucking piss off. Don't buy one of them, this shit. Right, come on. Let's have it. Come on, let's have a start. Oh, man! Oh, what's going on? Bet that's well dead now, isn't it? Right, I'm just gonna have to leave it. I'll tell you what, while that's doing that, let's change this thing. Look at that hose, man. Jesus, man, if that doesn't blow soon, I don't know what. Look at that. Shit, I could do with getting that re-ended. Look at the state of that, man. Oh my days. They don't fucking last long anymore, these hoses, man. I'm gonna have to go and get this re-ended. I'm gonna have to take about 5 metres off it, I reckon. It was 70 metres that one, so it's probably down to about 65 now. It's getting shorter and shorter. Anyway, let's get this up. Right, come on. Let's have it. Get on with you. Come on! What's going on, man? She don't want to jump. She does not want to jump at all. This normally does it. I don't understand what's going on. Everything's connected. You can even feel the heat coming through there, so it's definitely pulling, it's definitely drawing. Come on, man. Just not enough juice, I don't think. It must be super dead, that. Oh my God. Right. Right then. Fucking hell. And the only way jumping this now, oh fuck's sake, man. Fuck. Right. Right, so I'm just going to try this. I'm just got to charge that patch hook, charge the battery pack up, and then try and boot it again. If not, I'll have to link the leads up to the larger battery in the front. What an absolute pain in the ass. But I think meanwhile, I'm going to get these pickers ready for going out tomorrow, because they're both out tomorrow on the same job. And the missus, my good lady wife Nick, is going to be towing this one in the truck in the morning, so I need to get this ready with the correct reg on and everything, so we're not pissing around, because I know she'll not want to get out of bed and then piss around in the unit. She wants to get there and back. Yeah, we're going. Whoop. Right, that's us. We have pressure washers back up and running, valve on, batteries are charged, the scaffolding's in the van, van's fully loaded, ready for a serious graft next week. I've got my main man Adam in for a couple of days helping me get through it, and that's us. It's nearly 3 hours down the yard on a Sunday. Enjoy the rest of your day, people.